Hi everyone, Windows 11 comes with Snap Assist, a feature to organize windows on the screen to help improve the multitasking experience when working with two and more applications. The feature includes various functions to quickly and perfectly snap windows to the sides or corners of the screen using the mouse, keyboard, or touch. The idea is to use this assistive feature so you don't have to take extra steps to change the size or move the window manually on the screen. Snap Assist isn't new to Windows 11, it's been available since Windows 7, but it's been evolving throughout the years, and now, you have access to many more functions, such as snap layouts, snap groups, more accessible shortcuts, and more. This video will show you the steps to enable or disable snap features on Windows 11. Use these steps. First, open Settings and click on System. Next, click the Multitasking tab. And turn on or off the Snap Windows toggle switch to enable or disable the feature on Windows 11. To disable different features, just uncheck the options. Once you complete the steps, you can use the keyboard and mouse to organize your windows on the screen.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.